is back. The beans are done. And make sure you do cook them the full hour and a half for the beans, because if you don't, it don't work. And stuff. So. And we're gonna come over here. I just got the stove clean because I had to clean the stove. And believe me, I'm dead. I'm feeling tired, so tired today. So, we are going to first get over here. Alright, we are going to take our broth, and this is all natural broth. It's 3 cups. Just gonna throw it in there. And then we're gonna fill up our pan until we're gonna fill it up until, because we want to get all the goodies out of the container. That's the idea, because there's always flavor. And just like here, there's still stuff in there. So you want to get that, because you want that flavor, you know, that flavor that we're going to have. And it makes 24 servings. That part I do know. And I'll show you the seasonings here in a minute. We're going to start with 1 teaspoon each. And then I'll show you how I mix it, because I just use my hand. Yeah. Ooh, this one's actually doing pretty good. And it looks yummy. And you know what's unique about this whole thing is it's just really healthy. And you got all these vegetables. And I love vegetables. And that's like my lunch. And believe me, that's why I use the soup, because a lot of times to go to a lunch place at the soup place, you can get that. But I don't know what's in there. And I have to be very careful on sodium. And I know what this sodium is here on mine. My sodium's only like less than 50. And certain ones are like 40, and the chicken ones and the turkey ones are 50. So I already know what the sodium count is, and that's really important to me, because I have to be able to have that. Because I have to watch my sodium intake. Okay. One more should do it. I'll show you what it looks like once I bring it over here. And that's unique, because some people have asked me different things, and you know, we try to eat clean, and I have to, because of my situation with my metabolism and everything else. And it does work. I really concentrate now. I don't care what other people think. I worry about myself. I can't deal with that because of my health. You know, I have to make sure. So, what I do is we're going to use some pepper. So we're going to use a teaspoon. You're going to start with a teaspoon. The accent, you're only going to use 1 time. And that's a teaspoon. I don't measure, but because I don't, I just want you to start out as a teaspoon and then season to taste, because that's what I do. And that's how I've always done it. Italian seasoning. Oregano. A bay leaf. And the bay leaf, I just go like this. Crush it, throw it in the pan. 1 bay leaf. That's all you're going to use. Hungarian paprika, but you're only going to use 1 teaspoon. You're not going to use any more. Allspice, you're going to use 1 teaspoon, not anymore. I try to put the stuff back as I go, because then it doesn't get in my way. teaspoon of seasoned salt. You're going to use some sea salt. Only a teaspoon. You're not going to use any more. Basil. Oh, there ain't much left. I might as well just use it. Garlic powder. Most of this you're not going to use again. What you're probably going to use is a seasoned salt and pepper, because that's what I use a lot. Cumin. Just a teaspoon. Two tablespoons of Worcestershire. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and the lemon juice keeps our vegetables fresh. And then we're looking for it. I'm gonna use some red pepper flakes, just a dash, or just a teaspoon. And a teaspoon of marjoram. I have to write this down. And some marjoram, a teaspoon. And teaspoon of rosemary. Get this going. I'll show you. And you need, the nice thing about the seasonings is that's what really makes the soup is the seasonings. And this particular one, I use the seasonings that I use because I've done it before, and this is probably one of my favorites. So, and that's what it looks like. We're just going to put the lid on. First, I always test it when it's cold, because I can tell if it's cold, if it's going to need more seasonings or not. That's got a good taste. It might not need any more. That tastes really good. So, we're going to leave the lid on. Put the lid on, and we're going to let it boil. I'll be back in about half hour, 45 minutes. To show you the calorie count and to show you the final results. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye. God bless everyone. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye.